There you go.
Thank you.
Want to put your milk in?
Like many mums, Lana works hard to make sure her children eat healthily at home. But it's tough to compete with the temptations of takeaways and grabbing food on the go.
One day off to high school and discover corner shops and so cafes and so on. That's where I start to worry. And they are cheaper. Bigger you buy, the cheaper it gets, and it's very attractive to 11-year-olds. So it is frustrating, yes.
In a bid to tackle child and adult obesity levels, Public Health England has laid down a challenge to the food industry. Make products like pizzas, pies, pasta, sandwiches and crisps with 20% fewer calories in them.
We've given industry 3 options for doing it. So that's either to make the recipes healthier, to reformulate them, to maybe add more veg, take out a bit of fat, or to make products a bit smaller, to reduce portion sizes. And the third one is to use the power of industry to promote the healthier options.
The food industry says it backs this ambition, although experts warn it'll only work if it makes us switch to foods that still fill us up.
My concern is that if you just have a smaller pie, you're going to get hungrier sooner. Whereas what you should be focusing on is what's on the plate. Plenty of vegetables, some healthy fats from something like a piece of salmon. That's what you should be focused on, the really good healthy food on your plate.
With that in mind, Public Health England also wants us all to get better at counting calories. So for breakfast, the new recommended target is 400 calories. This meal would hit that. The aim for adults at lunchtime is 600 calories, which you'd reach with a plate like this. And for dinner, it's 600 again, with people encouraged to bear in mind they might have to forego some treats for others to stay on target. But is calorie awareness the answer? I came to this exercise class to find out.
I've tried to, but it just makes me too obsessed with food.
I just try to be sensible and have a variety in my diet. I'd probably just continue trying to educate people because I think it is working.
Most of us eat 200 to 300 calories more than we should every day. This is one way of getting rid of them, but for many, a more realistic solution would be finding ways not to consume them in the first place. Catherine Jones, 5 News.